can't go nowhere else when I beat on the bush. You see what I say? You start about Ninja Man. And then Ninja Man's name started trending right now. Everybody talk about Ninja Man. Who give you the idea that they come off to talk about Ninja Man right now?
The idea first, we have to put Father God first in everything and everything after. The idea come me and Ragga Ruggie, who I'm a party from I was a kid. Me and Ragga Ruggie in the street, good times, bad times. Ragga Ruggie is there for the flitters, and we was talking one evening where me to cook some food, so me to get some shopping in.
See,
me and Ragga Ruggie and Big D. So me is a man always, cause Ragga is a man always give me a little energy now. Yeah man, I feel down more time I'm burn. Ragga Ruggie is a man of the money you have to talk to him. Big D have the same energy. The three of we have a little vibe where it does different, so we have all a vibe, but me is a man always a try to run in and say, brother, you are going. You tell Ninja say me ask him, Ragga is a man the man. Yeah man! Tell him man! We tell him me ask him man.
See.
So I say, Ragga, you really tell him? Tell me, if you tell him, so Ragga say, yeah Ragga, me tell him, you see me? General, stop this chop me start.
it's what me I say.
Talk certain.
So after I make the link then start talk about Ninja Man. We see the thing go viral. I mean the first time you do the thing and make a post, it go viral. How you feel when you see you make a speech and it go viral on so many platforms?
Yeah, thank you certain for that car. I just want to talk about this thing starting on chop. So Big D I know, say Ragga, hear more you do. Ninja Man asks you. Me say, eh? Say, you tell him? Him say, yeah. So me say, yeah, what go on? Me da do a video. So Big D say, Ragga, they do the video. And Ragga say, Ragga, go on, they do the video.
See.
So, I don't have it because you don't know me the viral prints. I just have it, say, you know, I just do the video. And as I say, I'm a man to take talk from you, man. I listen, I work have a spirit, brother. He's a spiritual youth, so. And I to get my food. Father God got to talk to me.
Yes.
And I just have it circle light and just make God do work and God talk.
Yes.
So, brother, as I reach in my house, I just go for one of my costume. And from me go for the costume, me's a man, from you put camera up and flitters, the rest of history, because the costume first sell. And when me say a black brother,
yes,
we do so much great things certain.
yes,
I would do that to anyone. Because
yes.
Ninja Man are one of the greatest artists on this planet.
Which is
and
right.
no one remember this man for truth. Nobody not talk about the man, remember the man, them just take the man and dash him away. And everybody in the world,
yes,
never see I told them there now.
yes,
And we respect the two of them and love them.
yes,
But nobody don't remember the other one.
yes,
So when me pick up this cross, me have to carry it.
yes.
So when me selling German and send it out on my platform, the rest of history.
Well, we can see the rest of history because I see a whole heap of vlogger pick it up and I talk about it, and now, I mean, yeah, chain right now that's, I mean, one of the icons in the business, he even pick it up and make a comment, and the comment what I make on him platform, he never adjust the situation properly. Like, I don't think him did go and listen to your video, he just put where I want to put, you know what I mean? So how you feel when you see an icon like that at the business leave a comment like that on a big platform? How you feel about it?
Well, that man is a legend too, he's a pioneer and he's a great artist. But I think he didn't have it wrong because when me say, I never say the man want money or the man want food.
Yes.
Me I talk about 1 foot man, well Ninja Man give food and give him that money with me 2 eyes.
Yes.
And that me see me I talk about, you know, me never talk about man want this and man want that, you know.
Yes.
So him get the thing the wrong way.
This
so
is
when me come and say 1 foot man, you don't remember Ninja Man where this man send you pick me at school.
Yes.
the woman or Ninja Man the house. You don't remember the sell Ninja Man and give her house. Oh no, so I'm grateful. Oh no, don't remember good what people do for them. I remember everything what people do for me when I was a kid.
See.
You see me? So when the man I try do that, me I say, God no, leave him alone, because I think Flitters is trending, so I don't know. And this person is a person who I look up to and I rate him so much. I don't have nothing against this person.
Yes.
You see me? So I think we as black people, every so when our soldier fall, we need to start strengthening each other.
Yes,
And start with the right thing.
Which is right, and I mean, I watch many videos, even watch a video with the road area as well, so it's a lot of video going around, you understand, but my argument is, Ninja Man is a great youth in the business. See, before you start come and talk about Ninja Man with your team, me never see none of the big man in the business, where them have them big platform, see, them never did talk about the eye, and talk about Ninja Man, like, them just left the Dan Gargan in a prison for rotten or something, they not talk about him, but when him there wrote, Ninja Man are every man done. But Tuna behind bars now, nobody remember him. But you from England, with your little team, remember Ninja Man.